Ready for 5 fascinating history facts? Let's go! Fact number 1. Did you know? The oldest door in the world found in Switzerland is over 5,000 years old. It's so ancient it was built around the same time as the Great Pyramids. Fact number 2. The Great Fire of London in 1666 destroyed most of the city, but only 6 people were reported dead. It shows how different reporting was back then. Fact number 3. Here's one about Einstein. He actually failed his first college entrance exam. He didn't pass until the second try, proving even geniuses have setbacks. Fact number 4. Fun fact. Cleopatra had nothing to do with Caesar salads. They're actually named after chef Caesar Cardini in the 1920s, not Julius Caesar. And lastly, fact number 5. The oldest surviving written recipe is for beer. Ancient Mesopotamians loved their beer over 3,700 years ago. Thank you for watching. Which fact surprised you the most? Hit like and subscribe for more history facts.